If you're looking to buy a new smartphone or TV this year, then here is some good news for you. The Amazon Great Republic Day sale is going to begin soon. So watch the video to know all the details about it. Amazon ने अनाउंस कर दी है अपनी Great Republic Day sale की डेट. The Amazon Great Republic Day sale 2025 will begin on January 13 at noon for everyone. But if you are a member of Amazon Prime, then it will begin for you 12 hours prior. Amazon ने अभी सेल की एंड डेट रिवील नहीं करी है. Apart from discounts on different products, you will also receive a 10% discount on SBI credit card and EMI transaction. Buyers can also avail coupon discounts and other offers during the sale. You can see the sale banner live on Amazon app. This year's Amazon Great Republic Day sale will have up to 40% discount on mobile phones and accessories from big brands including OnePlus, Apple, Samsung, iQOO, Honor, etc. स्मार्ट टीवीज एंड प्रोजेक्टर्स पे भी आपको मिल सकता है 65% तक का डिस्काउंट. दिस इंक्लूड्स ब्रांड्स लाइक सोनी, TCL, सैमसंग अमंग्स अदर्स. होम अप्लायंसेस भी आएंगे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 55% डिस्काउंट के साथ. Apart from this, electronics and accessories like earphones, smartphones, etc. will start at 199 rupees. Amazon's Alexa and Fire TV products will start at rupees 2599. Other products like fashion accessories, kitchen items, furniture, daily need items will also have discounts on them. Further, there will be up to 50% discount for travel bookings made through Amazon Pay. Amazon will disclose more details about the sale in the coming days. That's all for today. Keep watching Gadgets 360 for more useful information like this.